What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leizel. Now today's video is in partnership with Fashion Nova. I am coming to you guys with a loungewear clothing haul. With everything that's going on at the moment, I know for a lot of us we are quarantined, self-isolating, working from home, and I don't know about you guys, but during this time I have pretty much just been living in leggings and a tee. So I feel like now is a better time more than ever to try out some new loungewear pieces. I personally feel like putting on a cute outfit is an instant mood booster. It's like when you get a cute new workout outfit, you feel more motivated to go and do your workouts and go to the gym. Cute loungewear is something that is going to make you feel good on the inside and look cute on the outside and kind of encourage you to get your day started and get things done even though you are staying home. So if you guys are interested to see me try on all the pieces and all my thoughts and opinions about them, keep on watching. And if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell as well so you don't miss any more videos that I post. With that being said, let's get started. So, as I'm sure a lot of you guys would have already noticed, I am currently wearing pajamas. Yes, pajamas. I feel like what better way to start off this video than to wear pajamas, you know? This is the Staying In PJ set in black. As you can see, it's super cute. I really like it. I feel like cute pajamas are just like, it's a must. A cute matching pajama set is like a little bit of luxury in my opinion. Like, it just puts you in a good mood. Feel like you got your life together. It's like having matching bra and underwear. Like, you just feel like you got it together. So that's why I picked out this set. I thought it was super cute. It looks really luxe with like the satin material along with this cute like white detailing around the edges, on the sleeves, on the pocket. It's just cute. I love it. I did pick mine up in a size small and I feel like it fits me really nicely. It gives me enough room to move because I feel like when you're wearing pajamas you do want them to be nice and loose so you can move around and be comfortable, not all like tightened up. I feel like this set is for those days when you want to chill in your pajamas but you don't want to be wearing daggy pajamas, because trust me, we all have daggy pajamas, but this is like pajamas but make it fashion. So that is why I picked these out, because I feel like luxe looking pajamas are a must for everybody. Also, I just want to apologize if the lighting is changing throughout this video. Once again, I am filming this in the late afternoon, so the sun is currently going down, so we've got to get through this. All right, next items that I want to show you are actually two separate pieces. So I guess you would call this a tracksuit. So this is the hottest in the game track jacket, and then we have the hottest in the game track pants. So you guys know me, I love my nudes, neutrals, all of that. So it's no surprise that I chose this color when it came to a tracksuit. You guys know me. But at the moment I'm having a thing for like matching sets. I feel like matching sets once again make you look like you have it all together and you know what you're doing. I believe this is 100% polyester, so it's not like fleecy if you're wondering what the fabric is. I do like how it has the cuffs on both the wrists and the ankles for the bottoms. And of course, you guys know me, I like cropped things, so cropped jacket, instantly love that. And then we have a zip down the middle so you can wear it open or all the way zipped up, however you like. It's got like a high collar if you did want to zip it all the way to the top as well. And this design on the front, it does go all the way around to the back. So I just feel like this is a really comfy and cute piece to wear at home, but you can even wear it if you were going out. Pretty much all these pieces that I'm going to show you are pieces that you can wear at home and then also going out if you need to make a quick dash to like the grocery store or to run some errands. These are definitely all outfits that you can do that in. And for sizing reference, I picked mine up in an extra small and I feel like that fit me pretty well. So yeah, I really like this set, super cute. Now, something that I really do love are bike shorts, cycling shorts. I find that they are very comfortable, especially when you're wearing them at home. Right now here in Australia, we are transitioning from summer into autumn. Actually, no, we're already in autumn. So we're in autumn officially, going into winter, but it is still pretty warm over here. So I did pick up this set. This is the tennis tee biker short set in gray. Now I love this shade of gray. It's like a light heather gray type of shade. And as I said, it's a set. So we have the shorts and the t-shirt. Now I'll show you guys the shorts first. Just your standard typical bike shorts. Really like the length of them. They're not too long on me. But yeah, I like the length of these. And one thing that I thought was really cute about this set is that it has a little white stripes along the side, which I thought was nice. And then when it comes to the t-shirt, it is a very large, oversized, like boxy tee. And once again, we have the little details of the white stripes on the side. Now it is a drop shoulder, which I like, and as you can see in the try on portion, I did wear it out, but then you can also like tie it up if you want to, you know, make it look a little bit different. But yeah, I just feel like this is a set that I could definitely wear at home on those days where I'm just chilling. I gotta do some cleaning, I need to be comfortable but not get too hot. This is definitely a set that I would wear for that. And once again, for sizing reference, I picked mine up in an extra small. Now going along with that white striped theme, I guess that's something I'm really into at the moment, because I picked up this set right here. This is the Tennis Court 2 set in black. This is super cute. I really like this one. It's basically a pair of long leggings, high-waisted, which you guys know I love high-waisted things. And then it also comes with the matching top, which is a crop and a long sleeve. So I really, really like that. I picked mine up in a size extra small, which was pretty much perfect for me. I felt like it fit really nicely around my waist, but it was nice and stretchy around my butt and my legs. Same goes for the top. I just love a crop top. That's always been my kind of style, and I think it's cute how it comes with a little hoodie too. Now this is a set that I feel like you could definitely wear if you were, again, going out, staying home, even if you were going to go for a quick little walk or workout. And once again, the fact that it is a matching set just makes it look like you have everything all together. Next set that I have to show you guys is something different for me, because I don't really ever do color. Those of you guys who watch my channel regularly would know that I am a very basic black and white, neutrals, nude kind of girl. But I saw this and I was like, wow, that's really cute. So yes, we did pink. This is the Girly Feels French Terry Active set, and it's basically a sweatpants with this super cute top, which I never would have guessed, like having a top like this with sweatpants like this, but it just goes, like, it's so cute. So this is the top right here, which again is like the style that I'm currently into at the moment. Anything with like the cute little puffy shoulders, that's something that I've been super into lately. So yeah, it's basically just the top with the sweatpants, and I feel like it gives a totally different feel compared to just like a t-shirt and sweatpants or a hoodie and sweatpants. Having like a cute top but matching with sweatpants, I can't even talk properly, with sweatpants, it gives it a more like dressed up feel. Again, the material inside is a French terry. It isn't that heavy or fleecy, which is nice because you won't get too like sweaty or hot, but it's still cozy enough if you are staying home. And yeah, I just feel like it's such a cute color. You guys know I don't do color, but when I saw this one, I was like, oh, that's really, like, it's such a sweet pink. So that's why I picked out this set. And once again, I got this in a size extra small. It fits me really nicely, and I just think it's super cute. It brings in that like girly yet active kind of look. So we're staying on with the pink theme. However, this set is a little more like neutraled down in tone. This is the She's So Sweet jogger set in pink, and this one is really nice. I really like this one. I feel like this one is a type of set that I would wear on a plane. Not that I'm going anywhere anytime soon, but if I was gonna go travel and get on a flight, this is what I'd wear, because it is super cozy and it fits right, but it's like breathable and loose at the same time, which I really, really like. And then the top is once again a slightly cropped long sleeve, but the collar comes up high. What do you call this? It's like a cow neck, I think that's what it's called. So that's why I feel like it'd be perfect for a flight, because you know when you want to like cover up your neck on a flight and just like get nice and cozy. Yeah, I feel like this set would be a total airport outfit. For size reference, I picked this one up in an extra small as well, and I do like if you can see, like, it's just nice and loose. It's got like the big sleeves. It isn't too tight. I could just picture myself wearing this on a chill day at home when I want to like look cute, but I don't want to be too uncomfortable. This is the one that I go for. Hence why I said it's like a flight outfit. So this next set that I have to show you guys is one that I wasn't too sure about, because it is completely something different that I wouldn't usually pick out, but I was like, you know what, that's cute, and I would totally wear that around the house. I feel like this isn't something that I'd wear out, but I would definitely wear it at home and I'd feel super cute wearing it. So this is the Can You Knit It short set in heather gray. Now as you can see, it's like a cable knit design, and the different thing about this that I wasn't too sure about, but now that I see them and I've tried them on, I really like them. is the shorts. Like it comes with shorts as like a matching set, which is just so I wasn't sure if it was gonna look cute on me, but then when I put them on, I was like, wow, this is nice. So once again, we have the matching like cable knit design, and these, you would think they would be itchy because it's like a knitted wool. However, I found these to be really comfy. They weren't, like, I didn't feel itchy at all when I put it on. Once again, love the neutral color. You guys know I am into my neutrals. And I did pick this up in an extra small and it fit me really nicely. I felt like even though the shorts, like they're tight, they fit me good, the top is nice and baggy, so it doesn't look too, like, how do I describe it? Like too tight fitting. Like it's just nice and chill and baggy, but the shorts are like hugging everything in all the right places. So yeah, I could see myself wearing this like at home on a cold winter day when it's like raining outside. You just want to chill inside, grab a mug of tea, have a book and read. I just feel like this is one of those sets when you want to just like cozy up. It's probably like the cable knit design of it that's making me feel that way, but it is just, yeah, something different that I didn't think I was going to be too into, but then when I put it on, I really liked it. Next up, I have to show you guys the all set up sweater set in cream. Now, first off, I love the color of this set, and I don't know why, but the button design on the front of these is what drew me towards this set. Other than the color, I was like, wow, that's like super different. Like you don't really see that on a sweater set, like a button up top. It just kind of grabbed my attention. So I picked this up in a size, I believe, yeah, a size small. To be honest though, I love the top. Like the top fit me really nicely. I mean, it's nice and baggy and loose. However, the bottoms are the ones that I was having issues with because I felt like it was super loose around my waist, but then my butt, legs and calves, it was just really tight and I was just having trouble. I mean, it was still cute and I would still wear it, but that's just something I noticed when I tried on this set. However, I still really like it. It's a fleecy set, so it is super fluffy and warm on the inside, and I feel like along with all the other sets that I've shown you guys, this is just one of those ones that you can throw on with a pair of sneakers and head out to the store if you need to go quickly run some errands and you look all nice and put together. Last but not least, I have the My Twist. Last but not least, I have the My Twist sweater set to show you guys. Now, fun fact, I actually really love the color olive, so as soon as I saw the color of this, I was like, wow, that's cute. And then I saw the design on the front and I was like, wow, that's really different. So this is a sweater set, but I feel like with the design that's going around the front, this twist design, it is something that you can definitely dress down, but you can dress up as well. I feel like with this set, you can rock it with some sneakers, but you can also put on some heels and you could wear it for like a casual dressed up kind of night, like adding that little bit of luxe to activewear type of look. But yeah, it was definitely the little twist at the front and the color that caught my attention, so I really like that. Once again, it is a cropped top, but then it also has like the kind of bigger baggier sleeves that are kind of cinch in at the wrist, which I thought was really cool too. And then of course the sweatpants are pretty much matching to that, so we've got the cuffed bottom and they're nice and baggy and loose, come with a drawstring so you can tighten that up if you need. But I liked how baggy and loose the sweatpants were as well because the top is cropped and tight around the waist. So yeah, for sizing reference, I picked this one up in a size extra small and I feel like it fit me really nicely. And yeah, like I said, I really like the color. So once again, I feel like this is something that you could wear with sneakers or even wear with heels if you want to go out on that first night after this all ends. If we're all going to go out for dinner or something, this is something that you could just throw on a pair of heels with and you could go out for dinner with your friends that first night that we are off this quarantine. So there we have you guys. That is everything that I wanted to show you for this Fashion Nova loungewear haul. I want you to comment down below and let me know which set was your favorite. As always, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're still here at the end watching and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the little red button down below before you go so you don't miss any more videos that I post. With that being said, I hope you guys are staying safe, looking after yourselves, looking out for each other. I will talk to you in the comments and I shall see you all in my next video.